Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to change your password on Twitch account. So first of all, launch Twitch app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the option of profile at the bottom right corner. Now from here you will be able to see a gear icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now, from here, tap on the option of security and privacy. Now, once you come here, you'll see the category of password. Tap on it. Now, in order to change your password, simply enter your current password first. If you have forgotten your current password, you can simply tap on the option of Forgot Your Password in order to contact Twitch customer support and then recover your current password so that you could change it. For now, I'm going to enter my current password. Now, let's enter our new password here. Now, let's confirm our new password. After this, tap on the option of Done at the top right corner. With that, you will successfully be able to change password on your Twitch account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.